these are Cuisenaire rods. We can use them in a variety of ways to work with concepts in math. Because there are no markings on them, we can assign the value of each rod in relation to the others. So let's think about using them for multiplying a natural number by a fraction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that this rod equals 1. And I'm going to use that with my multiplication equation that I want to do. So I am looking at 5 times 2/10. So if I have this as a value of 1 and I show it on grid paper it has a length of 10. So that means I can think about 10/10. Now, I want 2/10. So when I take a look at exploring with the rods, I see that this one, the red one, is equal to 2/10. Now, I want 5 times 2/10. So I can represent 5 of the 2/10, and I can count them up to see what my product will be. And I'm going to use repeated addition. 2/10, 4/10, 6/10, 8/10, 10/10. And so 5 times 2/10 equals 10/10 or 1 whole. But now let's say that we want to use a different rod as 1. So let's take a look at the blue rod. And this time we're going to say this is our whole. And this time we want to think about rods that will fit onto here nicely, that will show fraction units. So when I take my green rods, I see that 3 of them will equal the 1 blue. So that means this is 1/3, this is 1/3, and this is 1/3. This time we have 5, and we want to multiply by thirds. So I can take 5 of these, and I can skip count them together, or I could put them on like this, and I can now do my repeated addition. I can say 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3. And so 5 times 1/3 is 5/3. But now I can easily see that this is an improper fraction, so I can write it as a mixed number. I know that these 3/3 equals 1, and then I have another 2/3, so I can easily see what the mixed number is. And this is one way in which we can use Cuisenaire rods to multiply a natural number by a fraction.